How to set up an Apple Pencil on your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect and set up your Apple Pencil. Now the first thing you need to do is just go and unlock your iPad and bring up the settings page. You then need to click on Bluetooth from the left hand side and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. You can then grab your pencil and place it on the right hand side of your iPad. Now there should be a magnetic strip on the side of your pencil and it should automatically go and stick to the right hand side of the iPad like this. Now once you've done this, it should automatically connect to the Apple Pencil. As you can see here, it will now say connected. Now if you're using an older model of iPad or Apple Pencil, then you'll be able to connect this by inserting it into the bottom of the iPad here. And once you have your Apple Pencil connected, you can scroll down on this left hand side and click on Apple Pencil. Now at the very top of the page, you'll find your battery percentage for the pencil, and then you'll find all of the different settings as well. Now typically you're going to leave all of these settings just as their default settings. If there is anything that you want to go and customize, then you can go and do that from here. Now once everything's connected, you can then remove your Apple Pencil from the iPad and you can now begin using it to interact with the iPad like this. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.